Hi friends, this is VS Rao. Welcome to VSR Tech Info. For this video, I brought you Anycast M9 Plus screen mirroring. I will let you know the concepts behind this screen mirroring. First of all, for those who are not having any idea, I will just give a brief introduction on screen mirroring. Screen mirroring is nothing but to cast video on the screen, that is from a Android or iPhone which is smaller in size. If you want to show that on a big screen like television or a big monitor, screen mirroring or screen casting is the method which is used. The simple way is to use cable interface which connects the Android mobile phone to a bigger screen. There are several adapters like MHL adapter which is used for this purpose. There are several drawbacks by using the cable, and the alternatives for that is Anycast HDMI dongle. In this video, M9 Plus HDMI dongle, which is Anycast type, is shown. Let us know the details now. First of all, why wireless alternatives to HDMI cables are required. HDMI cables physically connect your devices, that is laptop or mobile, to a larger display, that is monitor or LED TV, so you can share what is on your screen. Screen sharing via HDMI cables present some key challenges as below. Restricted mobility, cable clutter, HDMI cable incompatibility with devices, misplaced, broken or stolen HDMI cables and adapters, unclear connection instructions, complex, costly floor and involved wiring. The image shown here is a smart TV connected to an Android phone via the MHL adapter and the HDMI cable. This is the physical interface between the Android mobile phone and a smart TV. If you want to get rid of clumsy HDMI cables connected to a non-smart TV or a monitor, the popular wireless alternatives will help you decide which is right for you. One such device is shown in this video, Anycast HDMI dongle. The image shown here, laptop, tablet phone, Android mobile phone is connected via Anycast wirelessly to this big monitor or TV. Wirelessly displaying a device onto a TV, computer or other external device is called screen mirroring. Screen mirroring requires two components, a screen sending device and a screen receiving device. The screen sending device utilizes a screen mirroring protocol. There are a number of screen mirroring protocols. Example, Apple AirPlay on iPhones and Google Cast on Chromebooks. The screen receiver is the destination for the content you are trying to display. Example, TV or monitor, etc. There are hardware receivers such as Apple TV, Chromecast and many others. There are also software applications like Reflector that turns existing devices such as Mac or Windows computer into robust receivers. Screen mirroring connections can be established in a number of ways depending on the devices that are trying to connect. Devices are equipped with various types of screen mirroring technology such as AirPlay and Google Cast, and therefore do not always share the same compatibility. For instance, Windows devices are equipped with Miracast, while Apple devices use AirPlay. This prevents Windows devices from wirelessly connecting to Apple TVs. These technological barriers cause issues for businesses and schools that deploy and use multiple device types. Fortunately, there are third-party screen mirroring solutions with cross-platform compatibility to help bridge that gap. One such solution is Anycast HDMI dongle. Anycast M9 Plus. Anycast M9 Plus wireless 5-in-1 AirPlay iOS, Miracast, Android, EZCast, DLNA, Chromecast, Wi-Fi HDMI 1080p HDTV dongle mirror display adapter. This upgraded version of wireless HDMI dongle have faster CPU and also supports Google Home app, that is Chromecast protocol, on Android and Google Chrome browser installed on PCs. Supports mirror display for your Mac, PC, Android phones, iPhone, iPad. Supports 1080 pixel resolution with H.265 decoding. H.265 is high efficient video coding, better than H.264. Built-in 150M 802.11n high-speed Wi-Fi with high sensitivity gain antenna. Simultaneous transmission of video and audio to the dongle. This will not affect your device's capability connecting online. One-time on-screen instruction setup. No additional software needed for Mac, iOS and Android devices. Supports OTA wireless firmware upgrade. OTA stands over the air. No need of mode switching. Earlier, these kind of devices have mode switch to change between Miracast and AirPlay. This device doesn't need any mode switching. Supported protocol: Miracast, AirPlay, DLNA, EZCast, Chromecast protocol used for Google Home app, Android and Google Chrome browser only. Screen mirror. Size: approximately 66 by 38 by 13 mm. Weight: approximately 14 grams. Material used: high quality durable ABS plastic. This image shows the Anycast device supports multiple devices. This supports Apple iPhone, iPad and MacBook via AirPlay protocol. Android devices like Android Mobile, Android Tab via Miracast. Windows PC via Miracast. Video app via DLNA protocol, and provides an output on the HDMI. This HDMI is used to connect HDTV, projector or vehicle display. Anycast M9 specifications at a glance. Wi-Fi frequency 2.4 GHz, which is standard. Wi-Fi range less than 10 meters. Resolution 1920 by 1080 at 60p, max for H.265. Operating system is Linux. Power is 5V DC at 1 ampere. CPU version or processor is RK3036. CPU speed Corex A9 1.2 GHz. RAM used DDR3 128 MB. Internal flash is 128 MB. System required is Android 4.4 plus, iOS 8 plus, OS 10.9 plus, that is Windows 10 and above, Windows Phone 8.1 and above. Video format used AVI, DivX, MKV, DAT, VOG, MPEG. MOV, MP4, RM, RMVB and WMV. Picture format JPEG and BMP are supported. Audio formats MP1, MP2, MP3, WMA, OGG, WAV and AAC. File formats Adobe PDF, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint are supported. Anycast HDMI dongle connections. The image shown here is Anycast, which is interfaced to a TV or monitor which is HD compatible via this HDMI connector provided onto the dongle. And number 1 is Anycast to Wi-Fi module. This is the built-in Wi-Fi adapter provided to the HDMI dongle. And number 2 is the HDMI Anycast to power source. This requires 5 volt 1 ampere. This lead can be connected to a television, monitor or a separate 5 volt 1 ampere source. And the third connection, as told earlier, it is the HDMI connection to the TV or monitor. The fourth point is select HDMI source. That is, you need to select HDMI source on the monitor or TV. These are the connections and they are very simple to connect Anycast to a monitor or TV. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like VSR Tech Info.